Welcome back to RamZland. Today we're going to make some flash powder by mixing calcium nitrate and red phosphorus. Check this out. For this investigation, we're using calcium nitrate, red phosphorus. This is a plasma wand for deflagration, a couple pieces of filter paper. Start by measuring out about 1 gram of calcium nitrate. Next, measure out about 1 gram of red phosphorus. Now, since this mixture is sensitive to shock, you're going to use the diaper method. Pour each onto one of your sheets of filter paper, and then you're just going to pour them back and forth over each other without using a mortar pestle. So you don't want to put a lot of stress on this mixture. Just simply pour it back and forth. And you're going to do this multiple times until you get a nice homogenized mixture. That looks like that. The next step is we're going to put about 1/4 gram on this block of wood to deflagrate. I can't tell you how important it is to start really small with this. You don't want to have too much. That's plenty for our first test. Okay, here's our first deflagration test. There it goes. Just a very small amount. For our next test, we'll deflagrate 1 gram of the mixture in our blast shield. Awesome. Got some pops in there. There we go. All right. Here's the chemical equation for this awesome combustion reaction. We start out with the reactants, red phosphorus and calcium nitrate. So we have red phosphorus, that's P4, plus the compound calcium nitrate. We have 4 moles of calcium nitrate, that's the 2+4Ca, NO3. And when those are carefully mixed together and some activation energy is applied, you get the products phosphorus, nitrate, and calcium. So we have 4 moles of the compound phosphorus nitrate, that's the 4P-NO3, and we have 4 moles of calcium, that's the 2+4Ca, in this amazing reaction. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.